2, 3. Whoa.
Hi.
Ah, I caught it.
Give me it. Throw it.
Oh, that was a bad throw.
I about to attack it again.
Oh, that was a good one.
My dodge the Jays. Loose.
Oh, nice.
He died. No. Whoa. That one was awesome.
It was awesome.
That's on board. What's this, Jay? What? Here we go. Come.
Trick flight.
Ow.
Uh-oh.
Attacking. Oh, did you see that? That about hit Jay right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, that was cool.
Boom. What did that gonna make? Bomber him. I bombed it. Mine doesn't have a point. Whoa!
Okay, for all you moms out there, the kids are crazy inside. If it's not snowing or raining, then paper airplanes, I think for girls too, would be an awesome, awesome thing, craft project, and provides hours of entertainment.